guys, Olamide is here again. It's been a really long time and I'm so excited to be here with you guys. I've missed you and you. I mean, code school have kept me away for about 2 or 3 weeks, but I'm here to tell you that I'm very back and better, and it's been a really good experience. If you haven't seen my UI UX designer in transit videos, please check out the playlist on my channel. Wow, today I'm going to be talking to you about the WordCamp Lagos conference happening on the 10th of March 2018. I've been talking a lot about WordPress and I'm so excited about it. Like I'm always excited about everything I come here to talk to you about. It's going to be a mind-blowing event. WordPress experts and giants all over Nigeria and Africa at large will be at this conference, and I can't wait to be there. But first, before we go ahead, let's talk a little bit about WordPress. Let's check out what WordPress is all about and why I think you should be a part of this event. Did you know that WordPress was launched on May 27, 2003? Did you also know that WordPress is the most popular content management system in the world? Yes, it is. Over 29% of websites built all around the world are built using WordPress platform. Yes, WordPress is that popular. And WordPress also controls over 59% of the CMS market. There are other CMS softwares, platforms in the world, CMS like Joomla, Drupal and all that, but WordPress controls 59% of the market. Did you also know that a lot of people are making money using WordPress? I'm part of those people. I am not a WordPress developer. They're making money as WordPress developers, WordPress service maintenance officers, content creators, content managers, SEO agencies, designers, and a whole lot of other people are making money using WordPress. Even bloggers, most of the blogs you see in this country and the world over are built using WordPress, and they are making money from these platforms. So WordPress is a big deal. Yeah, it is. I mean, it is a big deal, and today I'm going to be talking to you about, I'm going to be telling you 5 reasons why you should attend the WordPress Code Camp happening in March 2018. Yeah, in about 3 weeks or thereabouts. It's going to be loaded. I'm looking forward to it. It's a paid event, and you don't have to be a techie person to be at the conference. I'm going to be telling you more about it right after this break. Welcome back. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you have subscribed just now. It takes less than 5 seconds to do so. All you need to do is click the subscribe button just below this video you're watching, and voila, you're good to go. So reason number 1 why you should attend the WordPress Code Camp, the Word Code Camp 2018, Lagos Word Code Camp 2018. The experience, I mean, it's going to be mind-blowing. You will experience the WordPress community in another light, like you haven't seen before. It's been organized by the Lagos WordPress community, and enthusiasts will be gathered, beginners like myself, experts, intermediate WordPress users, bloggers. Yes, plenty blogs are powered by WordPress. You don't know, you might not know, but now you're going to know how the whole WordPress community is, how you can learn a skill and start making money off WordPress community. I know a lot of bloggers. I am also going to learn. Yes, I know I might know 1 or 2 things about WordPress, but really I think I'm a beginner, and the experience gathering with gigs and all that all over. I mean, it's really going to be an awesome experience. So you should register to attend because of the experience. 2, everyone is going to be a learner. We're all going to learn. We're going to learn new things. The experts are going to be learning. The intermediate guys are going to be learning. Beginners like me are going to be learning a whole lot of things at this conference. And I love to learn a lot. I love to learn new skills every year. I love to learn something new. 2 years ago, I learned about digital marketing in another light. Last year it was brand communications, and this year I'm in a code school learning how to be a UI designer. So, and I'm going to be learning at the WordPress community and WordPress code camp too. There are a lot of things to learn. No one knows it all. Tech changes every time. You need to know how best you can use these tech tools and trends for your benefit. So you should attend. What are you waiting for? You need to register. The third reason why you should attend this conference is because you won't be breaking the bank at all. It's just 3,500 naira only. 3,500 naira only to attend. I mean, if you know about conferences like this, most of the tech conferences cost a arm and a leg. But WordPress is a platform for everybody, and everybody is welcomed on the WordPress platform. So cost 3,500 naira. You don't need to break a leg. I have registered, and it took me a while to register, but it's going to be really entertaining. And then 3,500 covers the launch materials, and there's going to be an after party. I'm going to tell you more about that in my next point. So you need to really register to attend for the full day conference. Covers launch, the breakout sessions, the after party, and then the limited tickets available right now because registration has been opened since January. You can also sponsor the event if you want. I'm going to be telling you more about the website. So the fourth reason why you should be at the conference is because of the happiness bar. You know what? If you have problems, if you have challenges with WordPress, you've been having one issue or the other with your WordPress platform, your website, come with it. When you say cast all your burdens, bring all your WordPress burdens to this conference. There's a bar just for you, for people who have one issue or the other with their WordPress platforms. We have gigs, we have solution providers who are going to be there to solve these problems for you. I also have WordPress issues that I'm going to be packing to the conference, so I really can't wait. And the fifth reason, this is, if you have been watching this, if you have been a regular viewer on this channel, you know that I love this last point. I love to network. I love to meet more people. I love to increase my network base. This is an opportunity for you to network. This is an opportunity for you to meet people. Networking is my newfound hobby. I love to meet people all the time. You get to network, meet new people, and don't come dressed like you're working in a bank. Come in your most comfortable outfit ever, because there's going to be an after party, and then we're going to be partying. I love to dance. A lot of people say I don't know how to dance, but who cares? I just like to move my body to music, and that makes it fun for me. So big advice, come with your dancing shoes. Who says geeks and nerds don't party? So we're going to be partying after the all serious talks and all that. So these are my 5 reasons why you should attend the Lagos WordCamp coming up on the Saturday, the 10th of March, 2018. It's going to be lit. You know what I say? It's going to be litted. We're going to be litified. I mean, that's all about that. And I have registered, like I told you. I got my ticket. So I can't wait to meet you. Part of networking is meeting you all watching. And I'm sure you want to meet me too. Yeah, I really love to meet a lot of new people. We can do business together and maybe feature on my vlog. Of course, I'm going to be bringing you updates from the event. So if you would like more information about the event, if you would love to sponsor, sponsorship are also very, very affordable. With as low as 20,000 naira, you can sponsor the WordCamp, conference coming up. So I really look forward to, and then you have the opportunity to ask the organizers, questions and more. For more details, please visit 2018lagos.wordcamp.org. As you're seeing on your screen just right now, 2018lagos.wordcamp.org. And don't also forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I look forward to continue this conversation with you online on my Twitter account at Olamide Yellow, and my Instagram account Olamide Yellow, and my Facebook at Olamide Yellow, just as you're seeing on your screen. Till the next few days when I'm going to be seeing you, I'm saying bye for now, and don't stop being awesome.